Marley, come here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Going to get groceries. Marley cannot step on this grate. Come on. Marley, come.
See, Mom. Go get Mom. Go get Mom. Go get her.
Yeah. Good girl. Go get Dad. He's afraid to step on the grate. Good girl. She's living her best life here. Walking off leash. Chasing the cats. Getting hissed at and then crying at us.
Okay, in. Sit.
There you go.
Sit.
Okay. That's where we're staying. Walking back there now. It's blue skies and the sun is shining this morning. It's 8 degrees right now. Much better than the weather that we had over the weekend. It was so cold and hail and frosty and overcast, so this is lovely. It's supposed to get up to, I think, around 11 degrees today. Say hi, Olivia.
Oh, hi.
E grazie.
Grazie.
Got lots of groceries.
Lots of groceries.
See, I think I'm onto something with my whole maybe say it in Spanish and they might get it, because a couple things she said that I understood only because it was the same or really similar,
to
in Spanish.
Sure.
Anything else that we need?
We always need cheese.
Yes.
Right, cheese for sure. Yeah, that goes without saying.
Do you guys remember seeing, like on TikTok and on Instagram, this viral pasta that had a bunch of cherry tomatoes and cheese and oil, and then you bake it in the oven and it becomes like a creamy sauce? That's the inspiration for this, but I've added some zucchini and some black olives. I'm gonna bake it in the oven and hopefully this cheese becomes all creamy. I have no idea what it is, and the translation app wasn't working in the store, but I saw that it was on a package with lettuce and tomato, which makes me think it's nice and fresh and light, and it will hopefully get creamy and make a nice sauce for lunch. So far, every time we've used the oven, we have had a power outage. So before we turn the oven on today, we shut off the heaters. So hopefully that is enough to allow the power in the oven to stay on and for us to not lose power in the rest of the place. That looks delicious and it tastes really nice. It's a mild cheese, so it's not really strong at all. Then I made salad. Delicious. Jeff and Bella are actually having leftover ragu from last night. They're having that sauce with their pasta.